Lift every voice and sing till earth and heaven ring.
How can slaves be happy when they have the halter around their neck and the whip upon their back, and are disgraced and thought no more of than beasts, and are separated from their mothers and husbands and children and sisters, just as cattle are sold and separated? Mary Prince, daughter of our island, slave, abolitionist, hero, and so much more. The title of my lecture is rather long and perhaps complicated. I had to decipher it too. Law to Legacy, Unraveling the Narrative, a critical legal study of the institutionalization of slavery in Bermuda. So whether it was all of these little events and stories, I have understood that history is made up of all of our little and big stories.